Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a square equals to b plus 96 and b square equals to a plus 96. So we solve this problem for the values of a and b, but here you remember one thing is that our a is not equals to b. It means that we solve this problem for the distinct values of a and b. So first we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. And now here in the next step, first we will just subtract equation number 1 with equation number 2. So when we subtract these two equations, it will be written as a square minus b square equals to, this is b plus 96 minus a minus 96. Here we just subtract these two equations. So now in the left hand side we will apply this algebraic formula. It is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and here we move b and a in the left hand side. So when we move minus a in the left hand side, it will becomes plus a. When we move plus b, it will becomes minus b, and it is equals to this 96 and 96 are cancelled by each other and we get equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to take common a minus b. So when you take common a minus b, it will be written as a plus b plus 1 equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to take a minus b equals to 0 and a plus b plus 1 equals to 0. So here you get a is equals to b, but here in the start of the problem we will say that a is not equals to b, so that we will reject it this case and we can just proceed here this case only, and from this case we can find the value of a and b. So now here we move we separate the value of b and we move a and 1 to the right hand side. It will be written as minus a minus 1. We call this is our equation number 3. And now here we need to substitute this value of b in equation number 1, so that equation number 1 is implies that we will copy down equation number 1 here. It is a square equals to b plus 96. So we put the above value of b here, and it will be written as a square equals to, this is b, the value of b is minus a minus 1, and plus this is 96. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and we move all of these values in the left hand side. It will be written as a square, this will becomes plus a minus 1 plus 96 equals to 95, and when we move this 95 in the left hand side, it will becomes minus 95 equals to 0. So now you see here this equation will becomes quadratic in a variable, and now we can apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So that here first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A equals to 1, capital B equals to 1, and capital C equals to minus 95. And we know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we will substitute the values of a, b and c, and it will be written as the value of b is 1. It will becomes minus 1 plus minus square root of b square. B is 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is minus 95, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is also equals to 1. And now in the next step we need to simplify the terms, and here we have this is minus 1 plus minus square root of this is 1 square, and minus times of minus becomes plus, and here when you multiply 4 times of 95, it is equals to 380, and it is divided by 2. So we have the two values of a equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 381 divided by 2. So this is the value of a which we get from the given equations. And now here from this value of a we need to find the values of corresponding values of b. Okay, so that here we will just first copy down equation number 3 here. So that equation number 3 is implies that b equals to minus a minus 1. This is our b, and we will substitute this value of a here, and it will be written as b equals to minus a. The value of a is minus 1 plus minus square root of 381 divided by 2, and this is minus 1. So here when you multiply this negative sign on these two terms, so it will be written as, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 1, and this plus minus will be written as minus plus into square root of 381, and it is divided by 2 minus 1. Okay, so here we have we need to take the LCM of this term. So when you take the LCM of this term, it will be written as 1 minus plus square root of 381 and minus 2 divided by 2. Here we will take the LCM of this term, and now when you subtract 1 minus 2, it will be written as minus 1 minus plus square root of 381 divided by 2. This is the value of b. So here you see that we have two values of a, and we easily get the corresponding two values of b, so that we will write here the solution set of the given equation is so the solution set is ab equals to so here first we write the value of a, and second we write the value of b. So when we have the value of a is minus 1 plus square root of 381 divided by 2, this is the value of a, and we get the corresponding value of b is minus 1 minus square root of 381 divided by 2. This is our first solution, and now here likewise when we choose the second value of a, it is minus 1 minus square root of 381 divided by 2. Then we correspondingly get the value of b is minus 1 plus square root of 381 divided by 2. So this is our second solution of this equation. So here we have, these are the two solutions of the given equation, and now you will easily verify these two solutions when you can substitute this value of a and b into the given both equations, and if you put these two values in given both equations, then these four values of a and b are satisfied the given equation. You do the verification process by yourself. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.